to the very end.
This is GEPRC Vapor-X6. So this motor is 2407E, 1750 kV for 6 inches. So this one is built-in analog PTS GEPRC 2.5 watt analog PTS. The camera is from Axisflying. And pipa, I put pipa also. And this is the GEPRC, this receiver, Xcross receiver. I put 915 and 2.4 Germany Xcross band receiver. Okay. All assembly there, the frame there. Then the GPS is GEPRC M10 GPS. So GPS put here already. And then all 10 ready, power battery cable. Now need to install this one by one. Okay. Okay, now all installed ready, motor installed ready, and camera installed ready, BTS installed ready, internal receiver all installed ready. Now I'm going to test the motor rotation using smooth stocker and test. Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, then ready quickly. This one rotate inward, rotate inward, rotate outward, rotate outward. So this one together like this way, and then together this way, together this way. So this one inward. We call it this two is inward. Inward rotation. This one will be outward rotation. If we move forward, this one for more forward. If you move to backward, this one will move more power and backward. If you move right side, will take this one. Okay. This two is for your. This two is for your. Okay. This one inward. This one inward. This one outward. Your. Move to right side. This one move to left side. So like that. Okay, finish ready. Rotation test ready. Soldering then ready. This is analog brushing. We use 2.5 milliwatt the GEPRC Mantan. And then we use the pipa here, and yeah. So I use the receiver is Xcross receiver. This is GEPRC antenna. This one go in front, but I like it from the behind also okay. So no problem for me. Just back right there also can. In here, just back in front also can. But I like to put here. You can put here also. You can put here. That I put here. Okay. But this is my own big GEPRC. Okay, this is camera. Camera very good. This is analog camera, high view camera. Okay, GEPRC. People ready to fly. Okay, test it outside. Let's go and test outside.